Hi, grade 2s. Today's lesson is going to be on 2D shapes. And I know you all know your 2D shapes by now. So this is just a recap lesson and then a few new things that I'm going to teach you. Firstly, what is a 2D shape? Now, the D in the 2D shape basically means dimensions. And what a dimension is the length or the height of the shape and the width. So how tall the shape is and how wide the shape is. Shapes with these two dimensions are called 2D shapes. A 2D shape is a shape that you can lay flat, and the face of every 2D shape is flat as well. So now we're going to learn some interesting shape facts. Firstly, shapes are made out of straight and curved lines, okay? Some have curves only and some have straight lines, and then some have curved and straight lines together. When talking about shapes, we use some fancy words. The first one is vertex or vertices. Vertices means more than one, and basically a vertex is a fancy word for a corner. This is where your two lines in a shape, or two or more lines in a shape, meet together to form a corner. So if you look over here, those two lines meet and they make a corner over there. Then the sides of a shape. The sides of the shape are straight lines connected to the corners. So the two white lines that you can see are the sides, and then where the red circle is, that is your vertex or corner. And around there, you can see all of the sides. Then polygons. Now, a polygon is a flat shape, and this is made up of three or more sides, so those straight lines that meet. It is also a shape that is made of connecting lines. They have to be straight lines. No curves will make up a polygon. It also has to be a closed shape. This means that all of the lines must meet at the points only. So there can't be inside lines. It can only be the outside lines that meet at a point. Then the name of the shape, that will tell you the number of sides that shape has, and we'll discuss that a little bit later. So here are some of the polygons that you already know, and I want you to notice how all of the straight lines are closed at a point. So you can see every single one is closed and none of the shapes have anything inside. Then we find words called quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a shape with four sides and four corners or vertices, and that is what a quadrilateral shape is. So quadri is what means four, and laterals is the sides. So here you can see two quadrilaterals. We've got a square and a rectangle. There you have got four corners on each shape, and then you've got your four sides on each shape. Right, here are our curved line shapes, and you can see, look at the heart, it's all curved lines as well. Now I'm just going to show you a quick little video just to give you a little break.
That I know, shape, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A circle has one side. A pie, a dinner plate, and a cookie made. So a circle, as you can plainly see. A light wheel, a letter O, and a CD. A circle, as you can see. Shape, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A product is like a meal time in the front of a room would be. Examples of a triangle as you can plainly see. Dorito, a wedge of cheese, and a pennant flag would be. Examples of a triangle as you can plainly see. Shape, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. Keep square, 4, 5. 8 feet divide some brownies and a table top would be examples of a square, as you can plainly see. A window, a TV, and crackers would be examples of a square, as you can plainly see. Shape, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, too short and too long. A sofa frame, a dollar bill, and a chocolate bar would be of a rectangle, as you can plainly see. Cover, a piece of paper, and a widescreen TV are all things of a rectangle, as you can plainly see. Here are the 2D shapes that I know.
Right, so let's go through the shapes, grade 2s. The first shape here is a triangle, and you can see it has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Then a square, a rectangle, and a kite all have 4 sides and 4 corners. The square, all of its sides are the same and equal lengths. But the rectangle and kite have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So that's where the difference comes in over there. Then, firstly, we have a pentagon. And the pentagon has got 5 sides and 5 corners, straight lines, okay? And I always tell the children that a pentagon looks like a house that you draw with a pen, and that is a pentagon. Then we go to our next 6 straight lines and 6 corners shape, and that is your hexagon. And if you have a look there, hex and 6 both have an X in it, and that's what makes you remember that a hexagon has 6 sides. In an octagon, we know that an octagon has got 8 sides, okay? And what else has 8 legs? An octopus. So we remember that an octopus has 8 legs, and so an octagon has got 8 straight lines and 8 corners. Now, if you think about the shapes in our everyday life, look at how shapes are all around us. Okay, grade 2s, I'm going to leave you with one more song, and then I'm going to give you a few things that you need to do at home. Enjoy.
Shapes are everywhere. Triangle, rectangle, oval, circle, square. Circles everywhere. Circles everywhere. Wheels, cookies, basketballs are circles everywhere. Triangles everywhere. Triangles everywhere. It's like a red tie. Triangles everywhere. Everywhere, rectangles everywhere, doors, tables, TV, screen, rectangles everywhere. Squares everywhere, squares everywhere. Calendar and kitchen sink are squares everywhere. Ovals everywhere, ovals everywhere. Bath, beer, and brush repair are ovals everywhere. Shapes are everywhere. Shapes are everywhere. Triangle, rectangle, oval, circle, square. Shapes are everywhere. Shapes are everywhere. Triangle, rectangle, oval, circle, square.
Okay, grade 2. So some activities to do at home. I want you to practice the spelling of your 2D shapes. These are the 2D shapes we do. Circle, semicircle, oval, crescent, triangle, square, rectangle, kite, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, star, and heart. Then these are just some fun YouTube songs about shapes that you can listen to. And then the bottom one is just a fun story called The Greedy Triangle, and that is about shapes as well. So carry on practicing your spelling grade 2s, try and draw some of the shapes as well, and enjoy the rest of your time at home. Stay safe, and we will see you at school on Monday. Bye, guys.